Hey guys, I've got a short and sweet tutorial for you today, how to tie the barrel knot. I will show you 4 different sizes, with the first being what I believe to be the most common. Let's get started. Each knot will use 1 strand of rope. Grab the top of the cord with one hand to create your first knot. Grab the bottom of the cord with your other hand and wrap it around the back. Wrap the bottom of the cord around the top of the cord 3 times. Pull the cord tight to create your knot. This time I will wrap the cord twice to create a smaller knot. I will create 2 more knots. The first I will wrap around 4 times, and the second I will wrap around 5 to create 2 larger knots. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.